for this hairstyle, we are going to be parting a piece out in the front. I'm going to go ahead and part out my top section, and that's basically going to be the swoop for my swoop bang.
Been all in my bag, you been all in my business, you be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches, I've been all in my bag.
I'm going to put the rest of my hair up into a ponytail so I can show you guys the section.
All of my fitness, my chain dance on my head big, my top heavy, I let it down. See me shining.
And then if you guys want to test and see what it looks like, you can just go like this, and you'll know how your swoop will lay.
Money talks on the only thing these broke boys should be talking about.
I'm going to be using this Eco Style hair gel, and guys, I use this in almost my every video now. This is my new favorite. I still use my Style Factor Edge Booster, but I use this for my edges, and then I like to use this just for the rest of my hair. I'm gonna put it all the way up to the top, so I'm gonna have a really high ponytail.
I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of Pampers, and all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm trying to get it, man. It's to the point I ain't feeling no loss. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business, you be all in your feelings, I been all in them trenches, I been all in my bag, you be all in my business, know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness, I been all in my bag, you been all in.
I'm going to take 2 hair ties and make sure I tie this as tight as I can.
My bag, you be all in my business, know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness, ocean under this dad hat, it ain't me that you met.
So as you see, I have my ponytail up. It's much easier for me to do it than explain it to y'all, because if I sit here and explain it to y'all, I promise you I probably get tangled up in my words. So
thinking, need a life for the ideas. I'm in a splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up in my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Never trust these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace. Moms is worried, I need to change my ways. I maybe cop the crib, I need the redwoods. Rake the leaves up from the money trees. Plant the seed front and behind the scenes. I painted the dream how I live it. When smart and beware, they venom. I swear that I'm sick, I've got issues. Sick with the bars, I've been privileged.
this is like the hard part. So once I get my hair pretty much where I want it to be, I'll take my hand and I'll put it over the swoop part, and I will just push it out of the way like this. Push everything back and up. And then you release your hand, and then it'll somewhat stay. While it's still sticking there, I'll just take my bobby pins and I will just pin it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and do my edges so that I can lay this down and tie it all up.
This life is sweet, my mood is sour. For what you think you could get a rose and sniff. I'm woke and slit, they really fake. So switch the switch, excuse all the temperament. You could catch me with a riding venomous, not a fantasy ride tandem. And I'm the shit, I'm sore, but the flow though tantrum. No matter with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something. Got no kind of chill, lately I don't even feel.
I'm going to go ahead and part out this section here. And I'm going to comb it. And then I'm going to take my Eco Style gel and see if it curl up a little bit.
That's all for the moment. I check off the list of these thrills. I'm trying to see Europe, drop hip with the kid. A slit if you ride in the wheels. Pivot, looking at a premise. That's the time living, put my life on the sentence. Murdering the beat to giving me your life sentence. Only Lord knows what I'm thinking for the minute, so I'm asking for repentance. If the cop of me appended.
Now I'm going to go in with this Cream of Nature Argan Oil. This is some black edge control because my edges look a little thin.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall?
I'm going to hurry up and tie my hair down with this headscarf so that it can lay down properly. Because I would be so sad if it don't lay the way I need it to.
Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to.
I'm going to go in with some extra hair for my ponytail up top. If you guys have any hair left over, it can literally be any texture. It depends on what you want your bun to look like. But I want mine to look very natural, so I'm going to go in with this very natural looking track of hair. I'm going to take my bobby pin and start wrapping it around my ponytail.
It gets colder, but I hate being cool. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste.
I'm basically going to just take this hair like as a bulk like this, and I'm going to wrap it around. So I'm not even going to finish the track, but I'm going to still wrap it around. And then I'm going to bobby pin it in place. I have this little ponytail here, but I'm going to split this in half. I'll just show you guys, but I'm going to take both parts and twist them individually to make my bun. And it's really simple. I just twist it this way, and then I take it around, kind of lift this one up, and I just keep going around it. And then I will pin that in place. But I kind of want mine to be like really high up. So I'm going to lightly twist mine, and I'm going to try to see if I can go up a little bit higher. And I'm kind of just tucking one into the other. There really is no specific way that I do it. And I'm going to kind of fluff it out to my liking. Okay, babe, so this is pretty much how my bun came out. I think I tweaked it enough to my liking to be fine with it. But you guys pretty much do your hair at the top however you want to do your hair. You don't have to copy how I do my hair at the top, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take this headscarf off and just see what the hairstyle looks like. Gonna go in with this Got To Be Glued hairspray just for extra hold. So I got these hairpins from the beauty supply store. They were like $2, and I just thought they were super cute, so I was like, why not put them in my hair and just be extra for the day, because y'all know me. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm gonna put it right in my ponytail, literally. Like, I don't care. I kind of want to put both of them. This one just kind of has a little rhinestone on it, but I'm gonna do it probably like this or like this. So this is pretty much how the hairstyle turned out. I think it came out super cute. It actually came out a little bit better than I expected. I think the hairpins really came through for the hairstyle. I think it really set it off, you know what I'm saying? But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys would like to see any more hair tutorials, or you have any ideas that you would like for me to try, please do not hesitate to comment them in the comment section below. Before you guys leave off this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn those post notifications on, boo. How you gonna be watching me and you don't know when I post this? Turn those post notifications on, boo, so you can never miss a video, okay?
Get with the song, yeah. Catch on the way, try not to drown,